Right circular cylinder. A solid is obtained by revolving a rectangular lamina about one of its side is called as a right circular cylinder. Cylinder shown here is right circular cylinder, and we are only going to study right circular cylinder and will refer to it as a cylinder. So, in a cylinder, if the radius of the base is r and height is h as shown in the figure, then curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 into pi into r into h. Area of the two circular faces is equal to 2 into pi into r square. Total surface area of the cylinder is equal to area of the curved surfaces plus area of two plane surfaces is equal to 2 into pi into r into h plus 2 into pi into r square is equal to 2 into pi into r in bracket h plus r. Therefore, total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 into pi into r in bracket h plus r. Volume of cylinder. Compare cuboid and a cylinder and answer the following questions. Number 1. Are top and base faces congruent and parallel to each other? Answer. Yes. The top and base faces congruent and parallel to each other. Number 2. Is curved surface of cylinder perpendicular to base as like in cuboid lateral faces are perpendicular? Answer. Yes. Curved surface of cylinder is perpendicular to base as like in cuboid lateral faces are perpendicular. Volume of cylinder is equal to area of base into height is equal to pi into r square into h. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi into r square into h. Note, all the right prisms have a top and a base congruent and parallel to each other and lateral faces perpendicular to the base. Therefore, volume of the right prism is equal to area of base into height. Let us solve few examples. Example 1. The radius and the height of a cylinder are 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters respectively. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area. Pi is equal to 3.14. Given radius is equal to 10 centimeters, height is equal to 12 centimeters. To find curved surface area and total surface area. Solution. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into pi into r into h is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 10 into 12 is equal to 753.6. Total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 10 in bracket 10 plus 12 is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 10 into 22 is equal to 1381.6. Therefore, the curved surface area of cylinder is 753.6 centimeters square and the total surface area of cylinder is 1381.6 centimeters square. Example 2. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 1760 square centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder if the radius of cylinder is 28 centimeters. Given SC is equal to 1760 square centimeter. R is equal to 28 centimeter. To find height of the cylinder. Solution. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 into pi into r into h. Therefore, 1760 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into h. Therefore, h is equal to 1760 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 28 is equal to 10. Therefore, the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. Example 3. Find the volume of a cylinder of radius 7 centimeters and height 15 centimeters. Given radius is equal to 7 centimeters and height is equal to 15 centimeters. To find volume of the cylinder. Solution. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi into r square into h is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 15 is equal to 2310. Therefore, volume of cylinder is 2310 centimeter cube. Example 4. A cylindrical gas jar with inner radius 6 centimeters and height 25 centimeters is filled with gas. Find the quantity of gas contained. Given pi is equal to 3.14 and gas jar is cylindrical. Solution. Here, inner radius r is equal to 6 centimeters and height is equal to 25 centimeters. Quantity of gas in jar is equal to volume of the cylinder is equal to pi into r square into h. Therefore, 3.14 into 6 into 6 into 25 is equal to 2826 centimeter cube. Therefore, the quantity of gas contained is 2826 centimeter cube. Let us now solve exercise 6.5. Question 1. The radius and height of a cylinder are in same ratio 3:7 and its volume is 1584 centimeter cube. Find its radius. Solution. It is given that volume is 1584 and ratio of radius and height of cylinder are in same ratio 3:7. Therefore, let us take radius is equal to 3r and height is 7r. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. By substituting the values we get 1584 is equal to 22 upon 7 into 3r square into 7r. Therefore, 1584 is equal to 22 upon 7 into 9r square into 7r. Therefore, 198r cube is equal to 1584. Therefore, r cube is equal to 1584 upon 198. Therefore, r cube is equal to 8. Therefore, radius is equal to 2. Therefore, radius of the cylinder is equal to 3r. That is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is equal to 7r is equal to 7 into 2 is equal to 14 centimeters. Number 2. The volume of a cylinder is 504 pi cubic centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. Express answer in terms of pi. Solution. It is given that volume of cylinder is 504 pi centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Therefore, 504 pi is equal to pi r square into 14. Therefore, r square is equal to 504 upon 14. Therefore, r square is equal to 36. Thus, r is 6 centimeter. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. By substituting the values, we get 2 pi into 6 into 14. Therefore, curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 168 pi square centimeters. Therefore, total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. By substituting the values, we get 2 pi into 6 in bracket 6 plus 14 is equal to 2 pi into 6 into 20. Therefore, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 240 pi square centimeters.